Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your bank to Cash App without a debit card. All right, let's begin. First, open the Cash App and make sure you are signed in. On the home screen, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. This will take you to the Banking tab. Now, tap on the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and look for the option labeled Linked Banks or Link Bank. Tap it to begin connecting your bank account. Simply, a browser-like window will appear, and then you'll be shown a list of supported banks. Use the search bar or scroll to find your bank. Once selected, Cash App will prompt you to log in using your online banking username and password. This process is secure and allows Cash App to link your bank account directly. No debit card needed. After linking your account, return to the Banking tab and tap Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank to Cash App, then tap Add. The funds will begin transferring. Since this is a standard transfer without a debit card, it can take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on your bank and Cash App's processing time. You can check the status by tapping your balance and scrolling to view recent transactions. If you ever need to update or remove your linked account, just go back to the Linked Banks section. So that's basically how you can transfer money from your bank to Cash App without a debit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.